Hello, welcome to Madcat Sailing. It's me again. I thought I'd just do a quick video blog of reason behind why am I doing Madcat Sailing. A lot of people keep saying to me, is this your job now? I'm like, no, it's not my job. I wish it were. It'd be a nice job, sail around the world and just sit along, turn up at different places when you want, as you want, yeah. But no, I set up Madcat Sailing just as a bit of a hobby, just to show people another side, another world really. It's the marine world, which it's when I first fell into this, I thought what a fantastic world it is. It was something I'd always wanted to do since I was a very young lad. I'd always wanted to have a go at sailing ever since watching these beautiful things in marinas abroad. You know, you sit there in Spain and you sat there in a bar and you're overlooking probably a marina and you're thinking what a beautiful thing to be doing. And it was just one of them things that fascinated me. And when I got to the age of say 36, opportunity came that now single lad, you know, I enjoy the world, so I thought let's go for it, and decided to take up sailing. I went for competent crew first of all, worked my way to day skipper. I wasn't planning to buy my own boat, but things you get the bite. It's a funny thing, sailing. When the weather's rough, you don't want to be there. When the weather's beautiful, sailing's fantastic. Or sometimes not that good because there's no wind. But yeah, it's a funny thing when you're not sailing. You just want to be back out there. You can't explain the feeling. It's weird. It has its ups and downs like everything. But I always heard people as well. They say to you, I always want to do this, I always want to do that. Well, stop wanting to do, stop telling people what you want to do. You're in this world once, enjoy it. Sod what anyone else thinks. Everyone lives their own lives, everyone has their own way of living. If we're all the same, it'd be a very boring world. So if there's something you really want to do it. Unless obviously there's a reason behind why you can't do it, then fair enough. It's just one of them things. But yeah, so this is my adventures. I just wanted you all to follow my adventures at sea. I'm new, as you know, in the last 2 years to sailing. Still learning how to handle things and making hash of it. And why did I pick Madcat Sailing? Don't know. It was one of them things. I bought a boat and I thought, why not? Let's do video blogs. A lot of people seem to be doing them now, so I thought I'd try and show someone like myself just getting the hang of the ropes really and where it can take you. Why Madcat? Well, people say you're brave going to sea. I don't consider myself brave. I never have done, never will do. I'm quite a laid back person, and this is something out of the ordinary to me. I don't consider you have to be brave. I'd say just stay safe. Put all the safety precautions there. Make sure your boat's okay. You feel confident in your own abilities. And just go out there and do it, that's the thing. So in my head I just say, I'm not brave, I'm just mad. Whether I'm mad or boring, I don't know. I don't know how I come across, but thank you to all the people that keep viewing my videos. If there's anything you'd like to see, just message me and I'll try and show you something else. I'll try and show you different places, show you different world, but I can only fit it in between work, sadly. Just as and when I get the time. But if there's any questions, just ask, I'll try and answer them. So yeah, just to recap, this is all done in my own free time, and it's all funded by myself. I'm not paid to do it, it's not my job. feel free to like. If you don't like, I'm guessing you're probably just watching the wrong thing, because this is all sailing. It will be sailing.
Or Davey Bones.
Where I can, I'll try and mix it up a little bit. And if you really like it, like and share it. I'd much appreciate that. And also, if you really like it, you're enjoying what I'm doing, subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you'll see exclusive videos which I'll be doing in the winter time there. I'll try and make them a little bit different, try and mix it up with a bit movie stylish if I can, play about with a few things. So yeah, I really appreciate any comments or likes or dislikes. If there's anything you want to know or anything you want to see differently, let me know and I'll try and do it. Sometimes it may go a little bit quiet because winter's coming as well. Yeah, I said winter's coming, it's cold up north. I thought I'd get that one in. Old Game of Thrones, come on, get it back on the TV, we're missing you. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, I will appreciate any comments that you make. Please, no bashing, it's not what we're all about here. Go elsewhere for that. Yeah, so just enjoy it, and thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. It's not been too long-winded. Ta-ta for now.
Pretended that we could never make